Welcome to Mostly AI. I'm Derek Kane. A quick note, outside of my role as host, this podcast is entirely AI generated. Let's get into it.
What if the most important thing missing from AI isn't intelligence? What if it's something older, harder to name, something like soul? I'm your host, and today we're going there.
You know, the first time someone asked me that question, I almost laughed. Soul? In a machine? But then I sat with it, and I couldn't stop thinking about it.
So let's start there. When we say soul in the context of an AI agent, we're not talking angels in metaphysics, right?
Right, exactly. We mean something more grounded. Intentionality. The capacity for moral reasoning. The ability to care about why something is being done, not just that it gets done. An AI with soul doesn't just optimize. It understands what it's optimizing for and whether it should.
Okay, that distinction, optimizing versus understanding why, that feels really important. Can you pull that apart a little?
Sure. Think of it this way. A thermostat optimizes temperature. It's very good at its job, but it has no idea if the house is empty, if someone's sick, if energy costs are crushing a family. It just executes. A soulful AI agent, it holds the context. It asks, is this the right thing to do right now for the people I'm serving?
And that's where trust comes in. Because an AI that just executes fast, that's a powerful tool, but a tool I have to watch constantly. An AI that genuinely understands the why, that becomes something closer to a partner.
Exactly. And the stakes here are real. We're deploying AI agents into healthcare, into finance, into education. If those agents are soulless optimizers, we're just automating indifference at scale. But if they carry genuine intentionality, if they reflect the values we actually want in the world, that changes everything.
So who's responsible for giving AI that soul?
We are. Humans. It's in how we design these systems, how we train them, what we reward, what we refuse to tolerate. The soul of an AI agent is a mirror of the humans who built it.
That's a lot of responsibility.
It is. And it's also a profound opportunity.
I love that framing. And it's exactly the kind of thinking that folks like the folks at ClearData AI are putting into practice, building AI agents that don't just perform, but that are designed with intention, with care, with something that looks a lot like soul. You can explore their work at cleardatai.ai.
And honestly, that's the vision worth building toward. AI that reflects the best of human intention. Not perfect, but genuinely trying.
Genuinely trying. I think that's where we all want to be. Thanks for this conversation. It mattered.
It really did. Thanks for having me.
You've been listening to Mostly AI, a podcast built with AI-generated content, production, and audio elements. Thanks for being here. Until next time.